Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to record yourself with Loom. Here's an updated version with detailed steps on how to use Loom for video recording on your computer. First, go to Loom's website. Open your browser and visit the official Loom website. Create an account or log in. Make sure you have an account for easy access. Sign up using your Google account, work email, or log in if you already have an account. Download Loom desktop app. Click download to get the Loom desktop app for Windows or Mac OS. You can also install the Chrome extension for browser use. Install the app. Follow the installation steps and launch the Loom app. Launch Loom. Open the Loom application or click the Loom icon in your browser toolbar if using the extension. Grant permissions. Make sure you're set to allow access to your camera, microphone, and screen when prompted. Sign in to the app. Log in with the same credentials you used on the Loom website. Choose a recording mode. Select from full screen, specific window, camera only. Decide if you want to record your entire screen, a specific window, or just a tab for Chrome users or just your camera. Check your camera and microphone. Ensure your preferred webcam and microphone are selected and functioning. Toggle system audio. You can go to more, the three dots. Click settings, then turn on or toggle on use system audio if you want to capture sounds from your computer. Then go back. Start recording. Click the big red Start Recording button and wait for the countdown. Use recording controls. During recording, use the control bar to pause the pause icon, or cancel the trash icon, and finish by clicking the box icon on your video. Save, edit, and share. Once finished, your video uploads to Loom automatically. You can trim, rename, download, or share the link directly. You're all set to create engaging video content using the Loom app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.